Hello King Kogi community, it's Captain Martina here, and I am so chuffed to introduce to you the official King Kogi plush. Oh, he is amazing. I have been working with you two to come to the creation of this delightful guy right here, and it has been nearly a year of sending over sketches and picking out little detail work. And when I finally got the prototype of this delightful King Kogi plush here, I was blown away. I had so many little specific things that I wanted to include in his design, and they nailed it. This wonderful plush toy is 9 inches. He is soft, he is squishy, you can use him as a pillow, but also, look at his little crown. I wanted to make sure that the crown was 3D and not just flat, and they were like, we got you, don't worry. I was emphasizing that I wanted wings that could flap around. They nailed it. The little ears were very critical to me. I didn't want sticky outy ears or firm ears that could like poke you in the eye. I wanted something that could kind of fold over, and they gave me little fold over ears. Very importantly, I wanted to make sure his scar was included. For those of you that don't know why King Kogi has a scar, I think that all of us go through many different things in our lives that leave us with scars, both internal and external. None of us are perfect, and so King Kogi too has a lovely little scar, but he's still a happy pig despite that. And what's this? His tail. His tail. It's a curly straight tail. I was really hoping they could achieve a curly straight tail, but I wasn't sure, and when he arrived, I squealed like a pig. Look at his little legs. Look at these. Look at the legs. If you would like to get an adorable King Kogi plush toy, you have a very limited window to do so. So here's how it all works. Today is October 4th, 2024, and it is the very first day of pre-orders. The pre-order window will be open for 3 weeks, and after that, no more orders available. So this is a very limited run of King Kogi plush toys. Once you purchase it, the pre-orders will then start going into creation, and the shipping will not be until February and March. So please keep in mind that this won't be arriving within a month of you ordering it. They have to actually make all the Kogis and stuff all the Kogis and make sure that all the little detail works are perfect. And then U2s will be shipping them out to you, and they ship worldwide, which is amazing. The idea in my heart that King Kogi could be worldwide in many different homes, making people smile and making people happy, brings so much joy to my heart. You did it, King Kogi. Wee, wee, wee. I know. If you have any questions about the shipping and how everything works, U2s has an entire section on their website laid out to answering all your questions. And they have very good customer service that if you guys had questions or concerns, you can get a hold of people, and you definitely can. These guys are known for excellent customer service. So make sure you check out U2s.com. Link is on the screen, link is in the info box, and get yourself a limited edition King Kogi plush while you can. And thank you for enjoying my Detective Beaver series. I wanted to kind of have a more interesting reveal to the King Kogi plush. He deserves it after all. So if you have no idea what I'm talking about when I say Detective Beaver, I'm going to include video 1, 2, and 3 of these little tiny short teasers I put together to introduce the King Kogi plush. There were a lot of smart detectives out there who figured out that it was going to be a plush toy immediately. Brilliant detectives around the world. So with all that being said, I hope you get the chance to order your very own King Kogi plush. I'm so happy with this, and you know I would never share or promote anything with the community that I wasn't behind. So I really can't wait to see people receiving their King Kogi plushes, and then we can share them online with each other and go on little King Kogi community adventures. Yes, we can. You're gonna travel around the world, my bud right here. My bud right here. What? What Canadian speak talk has come over me? Bud? This is so Canadian. I don't know if I can. All right, roll the Detective Beaver footage before I get more and more Canadian, eh? Oh no.
It was a typical morning at the Beaver Moose Sorry Detective Agency, or so I thought. After pouring myself a nice cup of maple syrup to wake up, I sat down to tuck into my cases. House hippo spotted, hockey stick stolen. Oh, tragic. What the? To my surprise, a mysterious message with a mysterious image awaited me. I knew I need help in unraveling this mystery, so I rang up one of my old pals. Hello, Hacker Woman. It's Detective Beaver. I need your help. Detective Beaver's office. When things get hairy, we're here to help.
Beaver, it's me.
Oh, hey, Hacker Woman. You got the image that I sent you?
Yes, I did some complicated internet hacking and cross-stitching. Check your mail. This is gonna blow your mind.
Thanks, Hacker Woman. My God, the resemblance was uncanny. It was a dead ringer from my old coworker, Constable Kogi. Wee. But what did it all mean? To be continued. Last week on Beaver Moose Sorry Detective Agency, Detective Beaver received a mysterious image with a striking resemblance to her old pal, Constable Kogi.
I better give Constable Kogi a ring right away. What the?
Releasing in 48 hours. The threat was clear. Someone was going to release some type of pig. Release it where? Why did the pig have a crown? There were too many question marks and not enough answers.
Hello, Constable Kogi?
Wee.
Yes, not since the trash panda case. Listen, I've sent you an email. Oh, you're opening it now.
Wee.
My reaction too. According to the release date, that would be October 4th.
Wee.
I don't know, but mark your calendar. Something's coming October 4th.
To be continued. Last week on Beaver Moose Sorry Detective Agency, Detective Beaver and Constable Kogi have teamed up to solve a mysterious note about a pig being released.
I need a drink. You want one?
Wee.
Bottoms up. Oh! Did you tell anyone else about this case?
Wee.
Am I seeing doubles here?
Wee.
Cousin?
Wee.
Yeah, we got the paper all right. Oh.
Wee.
Available now for pre-order on youtooz.com, but only for a limited amount of time. I guess people better head on over there and get ordering right now.
Wee.
Another mystery solved, everybody, huh?
Wee.
Look at his widow wags. Look at these. Look at the wags.